So just pick up a Porsche Cayenne for cheap. I think this is the cheapest Porsche Cayenne in the USA. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of it. The interior is not bad. For a car with 170 something thousand miles, it's not bad. Interior is very clean. You have your Porsche sign there in the middle. I like this wooden steering here, and that is where you turn on your headlight and all of that. And this is your little basic infotainment system right there. And this is how the interior look. I like this like when you're going through the terrain, you can hold on these bars right here. I like them. 2 cup holders. You have your modes, you can adjust your modes here for the 4-wheel drive system. Give you guys a review. So we have a jumper cable in the hood right now, so we have to jump it from here and right here. So you need a power steering pump. So we already changed the tensioner. So you need a power steering pump. Power steering is way down there. Way down in the corner down there. So I have it on order. So it's gonna be here soon. So I'm gonna take you guys on the journey of installing the pump and the Porsche Cayenne. So this is it. You have a little ding right there on the fender and the that's not bad. It can be buff out or something. You have a next little ding right here. You have one there on the door right there. You have a next one right there. The rear tail light is out, and you still have a little ding right there and the bumper right there. Like they used to use it and do a little towing, so they have like a tow hook right there. Right now, because the battery is dead. The battery is under the passenger front seat, so that is where the battery is located. The body work is not in a bad shape, but it have a lot of things all over. Coming up on the roof rack right here now, I like the roof rack. It look sporty. Come to the front bumper right here now, you can see, I don't know what going on right there, but you can see like the grill, something went wrong there. And this light right here is dingling. The next one is intact. So overall, it's not a bad car. Overall, it's not a bad car. It's not bad. So we're gonna change the oil, coolant, all of that. The muffler down there, right down there, down by the auto sensor down there, the muffler is blown. So that have to go on the lift to get sorted. And the headlight also, you can see they are moving around a bit. They are not firmly in position. They like, you move them around like this, they see this one's moving. I don't know what's wrong with that, but that I have to look into. And the cover for here is missing. I don't know where it's at, but I didn't get the vehicle with that cover. It's supposed to have a cover right here that cover the power steering fluid and the jumper port right there. It have a sunroof. Cool for when it's a nice summer day. You can just open the top and let all the the nice fresh breeze in. And this cool silver trim that go around the door, right around towards the back glass right there. Looking so cool. I like that style. So overall guys, we have a lot of work to do on this car, so I'm gonna take you on the journey with it to see what we have done to it, everything from start to finish, to make sure you guys see what's going on with the Porsche. So every nut we pull, everything we do, we're gonna keep you guys up to date on what we do here. The rear view mirror right here have a little crack, have a little thing right here. It's just a little scrape, it's nothing serious, but just a little scrape right there. This one also have the headlight washer right there that comes up and spray on the headlight. It have it on the two side. It's a marker light right there on the both side. You have one right here, that's a marker light right here. You have another one right here. But overall, a lot of people say these cars are money pits and all of that still, but like me, as crazy as I am, I buy one. So, you know, no worry. We'll see how it goes on the journey with the Cayenne. Just look guys, just look at this interior. It's not bad, it's clean. Maybe they have been taking good care of it. Even the roof is a bit one and two spots, like right over there and right here. Not too bad. Not too bad. You have a cup holders right there and your AC vents right there. Nice little family car. Yes guys, good day again. Back at it again with the Porsche. So today we're gonna replace the power steering pump. This is the new pump I have here. This is the new one I just got here. So let's go. Let us start to install this power steering pump. Yeah guys, so the power steering pump is right there. This is the power steering pump right here. So as you can see, this pulley here is shaking all over the place. Look at it, look at that. That's real bad. So we have two bolts that hold the pump. We have one here and one right up here. The pulley right here. So we have to take out this bolt from top up here. So this is the other one. If you can see my finger right here, this one right here, if you can see, I'm moving it. And then when I move that one, you have a next bolt right here. So we're gonna pull this, and then you have a next line up top here. So yeah, we are getting there. So this one is the old pump. As you can see, when you shake it, the pulley wheel is moving right here. So I'm going to take off this one and put on this one right here. So this is where we're now changing the power steering pump. So this is where we're at now. So we already put on the pump. So this is the 2 bolt that hold it, one here and one here, 2 13 bolt. So this power steering line, the high pressure line, I already catch this one, tighten it up, and this one. So I'm just gonna put on the pulley right here now and then take it from there. So as you can see, so far we already put on the pulley right here. So we're gonna go ahead now and put on the drive belt. So we're gonna put on the dry belt now. So we're gonna move the intake. This intake goes right here. Slacken up the tension a bit. So I already installed the belt. So this is the tensioner right here. This is the tensioner right here. So this is what you can use to hold the tensioner for the belt to get more slack, so you can catch the belt more easier. So it goes on this idler wheel over this alternator right there. Alternator right here. It goes straight down to the power steering pump down there. It come around the water pump right here. Then it come to this, to the AC pump right here, and then you come around to this pulley wheel right here, and then this is the crankshaft pulley wheel. So as you can see, the belt go right around, and the belt run on two sides, so the two sides of the belt is the same. So we're gonna install back this intake hose right here. It have a little small hose underneath before you put it down on this chutter body here. Let's put it on like this on the side, and then you just plug on your close. So we're gonna throw in Porsche in a aisle now and hope for the best. The battery is dead, so we're gonna hook up our jumper pack right now to see if this is a fix. So I'm gonna start it right now. Sound, guys, the muffler is broken.